Should you PPF your car? The pristine gleam of a brand new car. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it? But as the miles roll on, that sparkling surface faces a constant assault. Flying pebbles, bird droppings, rogue shopping carts in supermarket parking lots, we've all been there. So, how do you keep your automotive baby looking showroom fresh? Enter the enigmatic paint protection film, PPF. What is PPF? Imagine a superhero shield for your car's paint. That's PPF in a nutshell. It's a thin, self-healing polyurethane film applied to vulnerable areas like the hood, bumper, and fenders. It acts as a barrier against scratches, chips, and even minor dings, keeping your paint job looking flawless for years to come. So, should you PPF your car? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Advantages of PPF coating. You own a high-value or rare car. PPF can significantly boost your car's resale value by preserving its pristine condition. You are a car enthusiast. Nothing beats the peace of mind knowing your beloved ride is protected. PPF lets you enjoy those winding roads without the constant worry of stone chips. You park outdoors. Whether it's the harsh sun or bird droppings, PPF shields your car from environmental damage. You keep your car for a long time. PPF is an investment that pays off over time, especially if you plan on holding on to your car for years. Demerits of car PPF coating. You are on a tight budget. PPF can be expensive, especially for full car coverage. Consider alternative options like ceramic coatings or waxes for basic protection. You live in a garage. If your car is tucked away safely, the risk of damage is significantly lower, making PPF less necessary. You plan to trade in your car soon. Unless it's a high-value car, the resale value boost from PPF might not outweigh the initial cost. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to the PPF question. Weigh the pros and cons based on your individual circumstances and budget. Do your research, compare prices, and choose a reputable installer. Remember, a good PPF job should be virtually invisible, seamlessly blending into your car's original paint. Not all PPF films are created equal. Opt for high-quality brands with self-healing properties and excellent UV protection. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to PPF your car is yours. But remember, a little extra protection can go a long way in keeping your automotive pride and joy looking its best for years to come. Don't forget to factor in the maintenance. PPF requires regular cleaning and care to stay looking its best. But hey, a little TLC goes a long way with anything you love, right?